Hello friends, today we are going to learn two new formulas that were introduced in Excel 2019. So we have MAXIFS and we have MINIFS. So let's see how this works. So I have a data set, I have the names of the students, and then I have the gender, and I have subjects, and then I have marks obtained. So here I want to find out the maximum marks obtained by a male student. So I will write the formula MAXIFS, press tab, select the range. Now the maximum range is my column D, marks obtained. So I will select that, comma, criteria range. My criteria range is the gender column, comma, and now what's the criteria? I want male as the criteria, so I can just mention it within quotes. And here I have the marks obtained by male, maximum marks obtained by a male student. Similarly, we can do the same for female students. MAXIFS, press tab, then I have the marks range, I have the gender range, and now the only change that I have to do is type in the criteria as female. Press enter, and I have the maximum marks obtained by a female student. We can also find out the maximum marks obtained in a particular subject. Here we have physics, history, mathematics, physics, and these are repeated. So I want to know the maximum marks obtained in computers, for example. So we use the formula again, MAXIFS. We'll select the range, and then instead of selecting the gender column, here I have to select the criteria column, which is the subject column, and then I can mention any subject. So I want to know the maximum marks obtained in computers. So here I have. Similarly, we can find out the minimum marks obtained by any student, male, female, or as per the subjects. All we have to do is use MAXIFS. So MAXIFS is used to find out the maximum value in a range with a given criteria, and MINIFS is used to find the minimum value in a given range with a particular criteria. The number of criteria that can be set in both these formulas are 126. Thank you for watching the video.